Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the latest news from Google. They're rolling out Wear OS 7 to the Pixel Watch. This is a major update that brings a lot of new features and improvements to the table. Let's dive in and see what's new. Google is calling Wear OS 7 a significant update, with deep system-level power optimizations that result in up to 10% improvement in battery life compared to Wear OS 6. This is great news for users who want to get the most out of their smartwatch. In terms of design and build, the Pixel Watch is still one of the best-looking smartwatches on the market. With a sleek and modern design that fits well with any outfit, the watch face is customizable, so you can change it to fit your style. When it comes to specs and performance, the Pixel Watch is powered by a fast processor and has plenty of storage, so you can store all your favorite apps and music. The watch also has built-in GPS, heart rate monitoring, and other fitness tracking features. One of the new features in Wear OS 7 is Live Updates, which lets you track ongoing events like sports scores, workout progress, and deliveries. You'll see a persistent icon at the bottom of your watch face and a card at the top of the notifications feed. Tapping provides the real-time status and other details that appear on phones. System media controls now feature an integrated output switcher. This lets you control what's playing on your headphones, home speakers, and more, and switch audio from one device to another. When listening to media on a paired phone, users can effortlessly switch the device the media is played back on directly from their wrist. There have been some rumors and leaks about upcoming Gemini intelligence features that select Wear OS 7 devices will get later this year. These features include Create My Widget, which lets you make custom dashboards for your wrist, and multi-step app automation, which will let Gemini navigate tasks directly from your watch. The expected release date for Wear OS 7 is today, and the price will be the same as the current Pixel Watch. In our verdict, Wear OS 7 is a significant update that brings a lot of new features and improvements to the table. If you're in the market for a new smartwatch, the Pixel Watch is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. We'll catch you in the next one.